Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to split or trim your clips using Microsoft Clipchamp editor. So here I have the video added to the timeline in Clipchamp, and first I'm going to play this video and find the point in time where I wish to make the split, let's say at this point in time. Next I have to navigate here, find the scissors that says split S, and left click on the scissors. And as you can see, we have now successfully split this clip at this point in time. Alternatively, you can, if you navigate over the scissors, you can see that it says split S. And what that means, S is a shortcut. So you don't have to necessarily navigate over the scissors every time you want to make the split, but instead you can just click letter S on your keyboard and make the cuts like that. So this is a quicker way of splitting the clip. And next, if you wish to trim your clip, for example, if you want to shorten the duration of this last section here, all you need to do is just select either left or right hand side of the clip. So let's say if I want to make the overall clip a bit shorter in time, I'm just going to cut the end part here of this clip. Just left click here, drag the clip like this. And we have now successfully trimmed a big part of that last section. And that's it, guys. This is how you easily split or trim your clips using Microsoft Clipchamp editor. I hope this was useful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next tutorial.